Welcome to this week's episode of Writing Tips for History 105, Simple In-Text Citations. This is the kind of citation you'll use for in-class writes when the teacher gives you the source. If you're doing research for a research paper, you'll need to do a full Chicago-style citation. That will be a different episode. The simple in-text citations are the kind of citations you'll use when the teacher gives you the source. Usually they'll be identified with something like source 1, or I might say document 1. That will be the clear signal that you will be using this shorthand form of citations. Now, first of all, when you use sources in your history writing, do not directly quote, paraphrase. There are a few exceptions. For example, if you're quoting Abraham Lincoln 7 years ago, it's hard to paraphrase that. He just says it so well. If you're quoting the U.S. Constitution and you want to say, "we the people," that's a direct quote, and there's really no way to rephrase that. Sometimes you do find a powerful quote, and it is okay to use those powerful quotes. But every other situation, paraphrase, meaning rewrite it in your own words. So if we wanted to use source 1 right here, it talks about how the citizen was a new concept in ancient Greece. So in my paper, I would simply say, now this is what Donald Kagan is trying to convey, but it's not his exact words. Donald Kagan says it over here in source 1. So I'm going to cite it with in-text citations by saying source 1. Notice I have source 1 in parentheses. There's a space between the last word of the sentence and the citation, polis, and source 1. And the period comes at the very end because your citation is part of the sentence. I hope you found this brief presentation helpful. Thank you for watching.